AI humanizer tools, are they effective? That is the question. Now, this is the newest trend in AI technology. So, as you know, if you've seen my previous videos, that AI is now becoming more popular. People are using AI tools to generate their article content, ebook content, scripts, screenplays, and I'm against all of it. But now there's this thing where people are using AI humanizer tools to humanize their AI generated content. So, in other words, like if you generate an article with ChatGPT, you might notice that the article has strange words or strange language, strange grammar that doesn't sound like a human being wrote it. So, what someone will do is they'll put this content through an AI humanizer. They'll scan it through an AI humanizer, and the humanizer will change all the words, or most of the words to simpler words so that it'll sound more human. Now sounds simple enough, right? Uh, the only problem is it's still AI. If you're using an AI humanizer tool to humanize AI content, then you're not really humanizing it because it's still AI. AI is still powering the humanizer tool to generate that humanized content. So it's not humanized. The only way to humanize AI content is to hire a human being to rewrite the AI content. All right. You can't use AI to humanize something. It doesn't make any sense because AI is not human, right? So, um, again, don't try to cheat by using a humanizer tool. And by the way, if you do use a humanizer tool, don't think that you're going to trick the AI detectors because that's not going to work either. I've tried to experiment with this by generating AI content and then humanizing it with an AI tool and then running it through an AI detector. And the AI detector still shows that it's AI, even if it's been humanized. Uh, I mean, it's hard enough just to pass an AI detection when you actually do write it yourself. So a humanizer tool is certainly not going to be any better. Uh, so my advice is hire a writer. Come on, it's worth it. I will rewrite your AI generated content. If you need any AI content rewritten, I have a link down below to a few places where you can order those services. Otherwise, hire your own writer if you don't want to hire me, but just don't use AI humanizer tools. They're not going to humanize it properly. All right. And you'll know too, because when you read the humanized sentences, they're not going to sound right anyway. You'll have to go through and edit them to make them sound better. Uh, so it's still not worth it. I mean, just write it yourself or hire a writer. I mean, it's the only way to go. All right, that's all I wanted to say. My AI rants keep on coming. I know. I still want to do a tutorial video. I want to get the tutorial videos back on this channel. I'm working on a new one now. Maybe Final Draft tutorials, Microsoft Word tutorials. Yeah, so look out for those. Subscribe, share, like, and I'll see you on the next one.